Hi folks, Brendan here from Advanced Radio, and I'm going to be taking you through a quick video on how to set up your SF20 Pro with an Frsky radio system. Now I'll show you a couple of different things in this video. Firstly, I'll show you how to set up the receivers into FBus mode because the Pro series uses FBus. You can still use the S-Bus, but it does use FBus as well. Then I'll go through just a quick gyro setup on the SF20 and the downlink telemetry that you do get on the Frsky radios. So let's start from the main menu. We have the unit, we've got it powered, we've got our receivers bound. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into our RF system. We're going to make sure that our channel range is set from 1 to 24, and we're going to go into our receivers. I'm using a TDR10 and a TDMX. We'll go options, and you'll notice I've got it set to SBus 24, and I've also got the output set to FBus. Okay, so now we're accepting FBus in on channel 10, and I have my receiver plugged in on number 10. On my TDMX, I've done the same thing. You've just got to set both of your receivers to output all 24 channels and to output FBus as well. Well, coming out of there, if you can see on the screen, I might just lift it up really quickly. You can see that we're getting frames in there, and if I move my sticks, we can see that we're getting some movement there on the radio as well. So coming out of here, I've set up a really basic model in my radio. I've got 2 ailerons, although you can have as many as you want with this system. The best way to think about the SF20 Pro is to think about it as a highly intelligent, dual battery redundant 20 channel receiver with downlink telemetry to the radio as well. Okay, so we've got our 2 batteries in, we've got our receivers bound up, we're good to go. I have 3 elevator servos on this one, just to demonstrate. I've got 2 aileron servos, and I've got a rudder servo as well. Now what we're going to do, last thing before I move ahead, I also have, if I go into my servo monitor, I've got my gyro master switch. Now I wanted to flick this one as well because we do have our flap and crow, or our flight modes mix on this, which is a very simple flight modes, just to demonstrate that you can have different flight modes and set it up on the radio, but do the adjustments in the gyro. So now that we've got everything set up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the gyro wizard. This little button here, I'll just push the button there. The blue light will start flashing, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull my elevator back, let it go, push my elevator all the way forward, let it go. When it starts flashing green, I'm going to move my ailerons right, let it go. Fast flashing, move it left, let it go. Red, move my rudder right, let it go. Flashing red fast, move it left. White, I'm going to flick my master switch all the way on and all the way off. The system will calibrate, and we now have gyro. So you can see that on the main screen here, I've got FM1 gain, and if I flick my master switch, I now have FM2 gain. Okay, so the setup is incredibly simple. Now that we've done the setup on the system, I'm now going to demonstrate the telemetry that we get as well. So we have all of the receiver telemetry, the internal modules, and if I go discover new sensor, yes. We've also got our current, our voltage on both batteries as well. Now with this, because I'm using the AR Smart batteries, the data is coming directly out of the batteries, downlink telemetry. So you'll see that this says 100 milliamps and 90 milliamps. That's actually the percentage of the capacity inside the packs. So it's reading directly out of the packs, and it's showing it on the screen for you as a percentage. Okay, very, very simple to set up, guys. There's the telemetry, there's the setup with Frsky, and that's how easy it is to get going. One last thing, if we do have flight modes, which I have here, what we're going to do is we're going to go into our smooth flight page. This is where we do all of our gyro adjustments. I go into my flat pro page and I activate it. Now my control channel is going to be whatever channel this is, which for me, I will have a quick look. Going to go into outputs. Channel 9. So I'm going to dial this up to channel 9. Now I'm going to start the wizard. Now it says flap and crow, but it doesn't have to be flap and crow. This can be for any flight modes, and we offer up to 5 different flight mode settings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it in flight mode 1. I'm going to hit capture. I'm going to move it to flight mode 2. I'm going to hit capture again. I'm going to move it to flight mode 3. I'm going to hit capture a third time. Now, because I only have 3 flight modes on this, all I'm going to do is I'm going to hit done. The setup has now captured all 3 flight modes, and we're good to go. Modes as well as the downlink telemetry for the Frsky radio system. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Cheers.
Thanks for watching that video. If you liked what you saw and want more information, you can head over to our website boomerrc.com, or for the US site us.boomerrc.com. If you want more videos, you can check out our Facebook page Advanced Radio, or you can head over to our YouTube channel Rick Gel Boomer RC. Thanks guys, and stay tuned for more videos.